When talking about delicious and attractive dishes made from pork, we learn about the process of raising and processing the mak han. Pig farm process design is the core of modern pig farm construction and safe and efficient production. Advanced technology can bring cost efficiency and better return on investment to pig farm construction. Hengian will follow the design concept of safety, convenience, economy and efficiency. Although pigs are born with little disease resistance, this resistance increases as they absorb antibodies from their mother's colostrum. Because pigs' ability to absorb antibodies decreases rapidly from birth, it becomes important that they feed on colostrum soon after birth. Colostrum provides the only natural disease protection they will have until their own mechanism for antibody production begins to function effectively at 4 to 5 weeks. Disease resistance is lowest at 3 weeks. CJ's market hogs have high growth, low feed consumption, good slaughtering quality, which brings nice product display, high profit, and high efficiency for breeders. Pigs can adapt to many different types of farming: intensive commercial units, free-range enterprises, or extensive farming. Allowed to roam around the village, town, or city, or forced to enter a simple shelter, or kept in a barn outside the owner's home. All of these forms of pig farms are in use today, although intensive farms are by far the most popular due to their potential to raise large numbers of pigs in a very cost-effective manner. Pigs are a popular form of livestock farming, with more than 1 billion pigs slaughtered each year worldwide, 100 million in the United States. With Deboflex's vertical processing, you can reduce your dependence on labor, reach new levels of yield improvement, and transform your pork cutting and deboning in more Washington ease than one. It introduces a seismic shift in how pork processing plants operate, promising increased productivity, reduced risk of injuries, and improved process efficiency. Deboflex redefines productivity by tirelessly performing once labor-intensive tasks, Its precision and unwavering pace significantly boost production capacity, providing a vital counterbalance to labor scarcity. Depoflix's automation isn't just about replacing manual labor, but optimizing the entire processing workflow, streamlining operations and introducing cutting-edge technology ensures that each step in the process is executed with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Among meat animals, pigs have a lower feed conversion ratio than cattle, which can provide the advantage of lower unit meat costs because of feed costs per kilogram or pound of meat obtained is lower. However, there are also many other economic variables in meat production and distribution, so the price difference for pork and beef at retail does not always correspond closely to the difference in feed conversion ratio. However, favorable rates tend to make pork more affordable than beef. Pork trotters are a food that can be processed into many dishes that cannot be missed, but the bad smell of pork trotters is sometimes very difficult to deal with. Just steaming pork trotters can create a fragrant aroma as well as make your dish more attractive. Before you prepare the pork leg, put it in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, then wash it. Clean the pig's trotters, cut them into pieces and stir them. Then put the mushrooms in the cooking module, add seasoning, and eat hot. This dish has the effect of nourishing yin and yang, spleen and stomach, nourishing blood, stimulating the body, suitable for people with physical weakness and postpartum women. While the 3F food, farm, food meat supply model is utilized by businesses and thrives in urban areas thanks to the development of modern trade channels that help consumers easily access with meat, showing signs of cleanliness and origin identification. The reason why the cost of raising pigs in Vietnam is high is because our country depends on 70% of imported animal feed raw materials, while this cost accounts for 65 to 70% of the cost structure of raising pigs. The next easy-to-make delicious pork dish is braised pork with pepper. With pork belly combined with spices such as onion, pepper, garlic, chili, colored water, cooked over low heat to make the pork packets evenly spiced, each piece of pork gravy. When enjoying, you will feel the soft deliciousness of this dish and the slightly spicy taste of pepper, which is extremely attractive. Pork contains a variety of nutrients for the body such as fats, minerals, vitamins, and mineral salts. Specifically, the nutritional value of pork is expressed as follows. Half lean, half fat pork contains protein 16.5 grams, lipid 21.5 grams, calcium 9 milligrams, phosphorus 178 milligrams, iron 1.5 milligrams, zinc. Lean pork contains protein 19 grams, lipid 7 grams, calcium 7 milligrams, phosphorus 190 milligrams, iron 1.5 milligrams, iron 2.5 milligrams, potassium 341 milligrams, sodium 76 milligrams, vitamins are 2 micrograms. Pork fat contains protein 14.5 grams, fat 37.3 grams, calcium 8 milligrams, phosphorus 156 milligrams, iron 0.4 milligrams, zinc 1.59 milligrams, potassium 318 milligrams, sodium 42 milligrams, vitamin are 2 micrograms.
Today's topic. Please comment below to let us know. If you are passionate about exploring,